Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can view photos from your iCloud on any iPhone, Android, laptop, or MacBook. Be sure, friends, to put your likes below the video. Also, don't forget to write a comment and please subscribe to our channel. So let's get down to this topic. And first, you will need to open the gallery on your device. Next step, when you open the gallery, you will need to click on your Apple account image on the top right side. And here you will need to find the option to synchronize with iCloud and turn it on. If you suddenly can't find this option, then exit the gallery. Open Settings. Then go to your Apple account. Then iCloud. And here you will need to click on Photo and enable Synchronize this iPhone. Now you will start synchronizing all your files that are in the gallery between yourself and your iCloud. And now that synchronization is connected, open up any web browser that you like. I open Safari. And here you'll need to type in the search box iCloud.com. Now when you find iCloud, go to this website. Next, you will need to log into your Apple ID. For this, you will need to either verify through your Face ID or you will need to enter your Apple ID password. Once you are logged into your Apple ID, please scroll down and find the Photos folder. Open it up. And next, you will go directly to the photos, which will already be synchronized with each other and will be added to your iCloud. And then you can view those photos, you can send them to someone, you can save them to your device, and so on. This is the way, friends, you will be able to view iCloud photos on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also put your likes and make sure to write comments. See you soon.